let's make my balsamic roasted peppers.
A fun fact about bell peppers: they contain more vitamin C than tomatoes. Why should you be worrying about eating enough vitamin C? Apart from the fact that they help boost your immune system as a fantastic antioxidant, vitamin C is also needed for collagen production, as well as helps improve iron absorption from the food that you are eating. So if you are trying to eat more vegetables this year, give this recipe a go. I serve this on top of cottage cheese as a snack, but they pair well with other protein options and is fantastic on a hamburger.